Okay, when we're doing an average question, I want you to think of it as three different parts to an average. So there's a sum part, there's the actual average, the number for the average, and then there's the number of numbers. Okay, so I'm going to try to define each one of these three parts as I read the question. Okay, so it says that a college student has equally rated exams. He got a 71, an 83, and a 90 on the first three out of 100 points. And then, so if I wanted to write the sum of those three numbers, I would do, I've already forgotten the numbers, 71, 83, and 90. So I do 71 plus 83 plus 90, because that's the sum. The student has one more test to take, and that counts toward his grade, and he wants, and the average on his exam to be at least an 84. So do I know the actual amount of that last test? No. So I'm going to put an X there because I don't know what that number is. What is the average that I want to get?
84.
So I'm going to put that number there. And how many numbers do I have?
4.
Okay. See how I set all three of those up? Now I'm going to answer the question and solve for X, but I'm going to write the equation a little different. I'm going to say that the average times the number of numbers is equal to the sum. 90% of SAT questions, if you set it up that way, you can actually solve it faster, because that's the way they almost always write the question, just like they wrote this one. So I can take 80, was it supposed to be 84?
Yeah, 84.
84. So I'm going to take 84 times 4, and that's going to be equal to X plus, is that 16 plus 8 is 24, so 224. Did I do that right? Maybe it's supposed to be bigger than that. That's 173, 144. Okay, so now this is 6, carry the 1, 3, 3. Does that look right? Are you just saying that? Okay. Minus 244 is equal to X. Now I can go back and look at my answers. So is that a possible answer? No, that's not even big enough. Is that a possible answer? No, that's not even big enough. If I do rounding, what is 330 minus 340? Or 330 minus 240, what is that? 90, right. So I know I need something that's at least close to 90, right? So that's the only answer that even makes sense. So did I even have to do all the math? I can round and estimate, which is what you should be doing on this test.